Developing news out of Alameda County, where 4 sheriff's deputies are under arrest this evening. KPIX 5's Andria Borba at the Santa Rita jail to tell us deputies are accused of mistreating inmates. Andria?
Sheriff Ahern himself told KPIX 5 that this investigation began back in January when Internal Affairs came to him with the allegations. Now, there are 4 guards allegedly involved: Eric McDermott, Stephen Sarkos, Sarah Kraus, Justin Lynn. They are facing charges ranging from intimidation of a witness to assault under the color of authority. The 4 guards are accused of helping inmates gas each other. Now, that is a prison term, meaning to throw saved feces and urine at jail guards, and in this case it was allegedly reversed, with the guards helping inmates gas each other. This happened in the maximum security section of the Santa Rita jail, which does not have cameras in it. The 4 guards accused turned themselves in today. Sheriff Greg Ahern released this statement: "We have concluded a very thorough investigation. Only these 4 individuals are identified as involved in this criminal activity. We have sought charges against the 4 individuals, and they must now answer to these allegations. Although these allegations are shocking, the actions of these 4 individuals do not reflect the professionalism and dedication of the 1,600 employees who work at the Alameda County Sheriff's Office. I am very proud of the employees who came forward to disclose this behavior." Sheriff Ahern also went on to thank the inmates who stepped forward with more information. We will have more on this story tonight on KPIX 5 News at 11 o'clock. Live at Santa Rita, Andria Borba, KPIX 5.